po sa ating programa, May Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng James, chapter 1, verse 5. Ito po pagkasabi, If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God that give it to all men, liberally and upbraideth not. Now, our topic this morning is Google. Bakit Google? Di ba pag mayroon tayong tinatanong, agad punta tayo sa Google. So my question is, saan ba tayo naghahanap ng sagot? The internet is a great place to find helpful information, but there is only one source of divine wisdom to direct our steps each day. The Father invites our sincere request anytime, anywhere. God is asking us to ask Him, no? Ask and it shall be given. Knock and it shall be open. May mga panahon na naghahanap tayo ng sagot. Agad pinupunta natin, di ba, Google. I hope ganun din po pagdating sa wisdom. Lumapit tayo sa Panginoon dahil siya po ang pinaka-source po ng wisdom na ito. Hindi po natin ito mahahanap sa mundong ito bagkus sa ating Panginoon lamang po. Be smart. Ask for God's wisdom. Do not do it on your own. Trust in the Lord. Trust in His Word. Trust on His promises. I-google mo yan, no? Kung i-google mo yan sa computer every time that you have a question, then google it also in your Bible. Ask the Lord for His answer, for His guidance, and for His wisdom. God bless po at magandang umaga.